I think you guys are playing musical cages. Kavi, that's baby's cage. Louie, he's in the cabinet. Baby is on Kavi's cage. Oscar is on BJ's cage. And then, who's in the video cabinet? Louie. Hi, Louie. Louie's in there. Hi. And then we have BJ over here making a mess. What are you doing? I don't think that belongs there. Now I'm going to have to clean that mess up, BJ. BJ, ever busy. Little cockatiel gang. Pierre. You doing okay, Pierre? Having your treat? And Sookie. Hi, Sook. Oscar's empty cage because he's over there. And Midori. Hi, Midori. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Such a good girl. Yeah, you're such a pretty girl. She weighs all of 100 grams, maybe, and that's soaking wet. Huh, I think you weigh like 95 or 96, I think, last time I weighed you. Just a little thing, aren't you? You're just a tiny little girl. Yeah. That's Midori. Hi, Midori. And then we're getting ready to play a movie for them. And they have their window, of course, to look out. And that's our little bird room. Thought you guys might like to see what goes on in here. But we are full in here. Hope you enjoyed the short tour.